spun the nigga around and I
Why?
put the nigga in the full Nelson. Because once the shots was going off, the two niggas was over there that was down there. What? Pulled out the hammer, and the nigga right here pulls out the hammer. I said, I'm dead. But I had the nigga in the full Nelson.
Honestly, I want a good look a while now. I'm not post no video, you know, cause you know, I don't know, say I may have to move and all sort of simmy dimmy. Hold on, just what we have today? We have some Jamaican like videos. You know, most of them are come from TikTok, if not all of them. So we just gonna see what's going on. So Jamaican people stay here. As soon as I smell it open their mouth, I just straight laugh. You just have to laugh. I just simple joke.
No, man.
Man, come on, man.
No.
Ain't no cameras, man.
No cameras, no cameras.
Yo, I ain't got nothing, man.
Oh, he
Man,
an
just let me
amphibian.
go, man. Just let me go, man.
He an amphibian. Hold up.
Yo! Yo! No, Dad! Yo, stop this now! Stop it!
Oh,
I'm Michelangelo!
them slippers, no, brother. It's them slippers, though. It's them slippers.
Yo, I ain't got nothing.
Let me play.
Hey.
Idiot. Me know them, I plot something them plan, but you know, say as a...
No, we can tell them.
Well, I guess the country.
Yes.
Wait, how are you going? Oh, they have to say, they have to guess they have to say the word of the letter will come up before it gets slapped.
You have to wait 3 seconds, you know, wait 3 seconds.
And them maybe give a chance.
Come here, have you not camera pussy? No, we have to give her 3 seconds. 1.
Grenada!
Grenade.
You next. Ready. America. Buckler! United States, Matty boy. United States, America. You can't just say buckler at America.
America. No. United States.
Yeah, eat that. Yeah, man, you fucker, you sweetie, you edit the pan. Sweetie, I can't Zimbabwe. You fucker, you Zimbabwe, mama. Where is it? Show you, watch out. I forgot to 3. Well, what a boy. The carrot X.
X. Nah, nothing. He done. Fully done.
You have to count to 3. Don't look at it. 1.
You do
Yo, Dunceness, I want to sin, you know, brother. It's sinful. It's Europe.
Come back here, son. Come back here, No, just come back right, son. Come back right.
You fear sense. Yeah, fear sense, man. Europe. What?
You give me some. We have to count to 3 and you can't run. 1, 2, 3. You fucker,
You can't think of nothing, dog.
Fully dance, man, band, fully dance.
I look a blood clot one, I'm not video for you kids. Look a batty boy. Don't touch me now. Don't touch me. Where your girl name again?
Banana girl.
You're not a girl, you brush your teeth for a man, you beard pussy. You beard batty boy. You're not clean slippers, so you look neat.
You man them vulgar, you know, cause you brush your teeth from man and body boy. You choose them clean though, man. Touch it.
When the rum unruly.
Rum kicking long time. Imagine if name bossy. Are you next? It's a whole vibe, you know, man. Take picture of my car.
The fuck is you looking at, my nigga?
I want to go and say. How what is that? Yo. Hold on. Brother, why you do this, sir? What go on now? What go on? I watch she can't cross the line. Yo, what is? You've never been more confusing in my life.
Give me dick.
When a lizard make your mother act like a true story.
Y'all put that white stuff around y'all hairline. Like, it looks so stupid.
I know, right? It's just so stupid. It's just so unnecessary. They just be doing too much.
Anna, I lie.
What the hell, bro?
What's wrong with
What you
you?
doing? No, it's all, bro. What's the hell?
I wanna kill my mom. What the? I wanna kill my dad.
That little pitney possessed. What? No, dog. Me no say a joke, but still, dog. No.
Though, bro?
What's going on?
No, I'm saying that's something serious, though, bro.
I know, man. He just
No, you good, bro. No, you chilling. You gotta chill, bro.
Dad, relax, okay? I don't care what.
Shut up.
What?
What's going on?
I don't care what.
Shut up.
I don't care what
No
Jimmy.
one cares about your opinion. No one even cares about you.
What?
That's, hey, bro, that's your
What?
dad, bro.
Don't be talking.
Fighting words, them there, you know? The man say.
That's your dad, bro.
Don't be talking.
Excuse me? Excuse me?
No, brother. Me can't run them the joke there, brother. Them the joke there. I know something for run. That's all we are gonna rock with today, you know, youth. Let me know how you feel, no. Let me know how I go on with it, you see me? But until next time, we're gone.